I'm Katie, and this is Live It in the Now. On my channel, I talk about everyday manifesting, stories and examples to help you to manifest everything you desire. On my channel, I teach you how to manifest step by step with 3 easy steps. And once you understand the process and the steps, why it works, how it works, and why it may not be working yet, then you can apply it to any desire. Then you can manifest anything: a specific person, a house, a job, a car, anything. I've used it for everything. So just yesterday, I manifested money fast, and here's how I did it. First, I said my dominant thought. It says, I say what I want, it happens. I always get what I want. I made it known and dominant within myself that every time I say that sentence, that assumption, that thought, plus my desire, that it will then happen and manifest. All things, people, and everything will be arranged for me. So all I have to do is the 3 steps. Which is step 1, decide what I want. Step 2, say what I want. And when I say what I want, I use that dominant thought, that dominant sentence that says I say what I want, it happens. I always get what I want. And if it's a specific desire, then I make like a short paragraph or sentences that helps me to feel and picture the having of it as I say it. I call this a wanted story. That makes me see myself with it, doing it next to me. Maybe just flashes of an image of it, or just the feeling and the knowing of having it. You want to see or feel the having of it as you say it. And you want to convince yourself that you will have it. The faster you can convince yourself that you will have it and that it will happen, the faster it manifests. And in time, you will see the amazing ways that it gets done, and then it manifests and comes to you. The how, when, or where doesn't even matter. Just deciding what you want and convinced that you will have it and that it will happen. Then you have to have no afterthoughts about it after. What does that mean? That means once you do the 3 steps, you can't think opposite. Like, it won't happen. I can't have it because of this thing, or this past thing, or this always happens to me, or because of this. No. Because those are all negative, resistant thoughts that prevent it. And so maybe the next day comes and your desire comes to mind. So what do you do when those negative, opposing thoughts come up? Like, I don't see it, or where is it, or it hasn't worked yet. Those are all negative thoughts that prevent it. So instead, you say to yourself, no matter what, I'm going to get what I want. No matter what, I'm going to get what I want. So that deflects those thoughts and dissolves them, allowing your manifestation then the ability to happen and manifest easy and fast. So what was my money story that manifested money instantly the next day? Where I didn't even do anything different except decide what I want, say it, and as I said it, I focused on the having of it. And that was it. And a side note here, most of the time we don't even remember to say what we do want, or remember to focus on it. We just live day by day, sort of on autopilot. So start to actually decide and realize what you do want. Once I decided that I want money and said it, it came. Do the 3 steps to manifesting correctly, on purpose, consciously. And all your desires can manifest fast and easy. The only thing preventing your desires is your bad thoughts about it. Thoughts that say or imply, I can't have it, or it won't happen. So a wanted story and that dominant thought of, I say what I want, it happens. I always get what I want, will help convince yourself that you can have it and that it can happen. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. My other videos give details on the 3 steps and more examples and stories on how to use it. So here's the exact money story I said. And the next day at work, unexpectedly, I got a bonus and a raise, and I didn't even do anything differently except say what I want. So here it is. I say what I want, it happens. I always get what I want. I want to say this desire once and for it to happen instantly now. Now today. I want free money now. I want significant, huge amounts of free money given to me now. I want financial freedom now. I want to be able to buy myself anything I want now. I want freedom to do anything and everything now. I want free money to come to me and find me exactly where I am now. I want more money than I can even spend now. I want to never have to work again now. I want consistent free money given to me without having to work now. I want everything paid off and to have a huge savings now. I want to be able to quit my job because I have plenty of money now. I want to be financially free now. I want free huge amounts of money given to me now. I want huge amounts of money given to me for free without me trying or doing anything differently now. I want the world around me to find ways to provide me with and give me free money now. I want money to come to me and be given to me easily without any effort now. I want ways to get money, be given money, to make easy money, to receive huge significant amounts of money to be told and shown to me now. I want to be good with money now. I want to provide for me and my family now. I want manifesting money to be easy for me now. I want manifesting huge, significant amounts of money to be easy for me now. So easy. I want to feel secure and powerful financially now. I want getting free money and receiving free money to be easy for me now. So easy. No matter what I see, I'm going to get what I want now. I want money and freedom to do anything and go anywhere now. I want huge, free amounts of money given to me now. I want money now. Comment below your favorite line that makes you feel that you have money or will have it. That's my video for today. Thanks for watching.